Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are doing absolutely well. So guys, this is the lesson 1 of our new topic of reasoning, which is direction. So in this video we are going to completely understand the basics of directions topic, and also we are going to solve some practice questions based on it. So make sure to watch the video till complete end, because there is a lot of important questions in this video. Before starting the video, if you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet, because I regularly upload these kinds of helpful videos for all of you. Also, I am creating a complete playlist based on reasoning. So currently I have already covered the topic blood relation. So if you have not checked yet, make sure to check that. Also, if you have not yet followed me on Instagram, make sure to do so, as there are a lot of job opportunities for all of you on Instagram. So let's start with our today's topic, that is direction. So first of all, before directly starting to solve the questions, we need to understand some basics and how can we approach, what should be our approach to solve these questions. Okay, so first things first. So this is basically a direction diagram, we call it as. So the upper direction is called as north, this direction is east, lower one is the south, and this is the west. This thing you need to remember first. Okay, now whenever we are given a question, we need to start from a point which is in middle, right? So this is the point from where we will start. Now the second thing is, if it is given to us like you have to walk, a person walks 20 kilometers in the north, so we will move in this direction. Otherwise, if it is given to us that a person walks in other direction, like if a person walks 50 kilometers in the east direction, we will walk in this direction. Similarly, if it is given to us a person walks 10 kilometers in the south direction, we will walk in this direction, and similar is the case with west direction. Okay, so clear with this. Now next important thing is, suppose if nothing is given to us in the first statement, the statement is starting as a person walks straight towards towards is not mentioned, it is given that a person walks 10 kilometers towards straight. Then in which direction you will move? So simply you will move in the north direction. If no direction is mentioned in the starting of the question, or a straight word is mentioned, then you will simply move in the north direction. This is the most important thing. Now this thing is also clear. So also you should have a clear understanding of left and right direction, right? So this is right direction and this is left direction, because at any point of time, suppose a person is in this direction right now, suppose this a person is in north direction, so for him the left direction would be this, right direction would be this. Similarly, if a person is in south direction, right, so for him the right would be what, this one, and the left would be this one. So in this way you should have the knowledge of left and right also. So now we have covered the basics things that we need to know. Now let's straight away start on solving the questions. So first questions that we have is, Rohini goes 5 kilometers towards east. Okay, so 5 kilometers towards east, as always we will start from this point. So 5 kilometers, so what we can do is we can mark it like this, 5 kilometers towards east from a fixed point N. So this is our fixed point N. And then 35 kilometer after turning to her left. So after turning to her left, 35 kilometers she is going, so 35 will be in this direction. Okay, and again she goes 10 kilometer after turning to her right. So right for Rohini will be this, so 10 kilometer towards her right. So suppose Rohini is at this point right now. After this she goes 35 kilometer after turning to her right. So for the right of Rohini will be in this direction, so she is going 35 kilometers this direction. Okay, so how far is she from N? So currently Rohini is at this point. Now how far is she from the starting point? So basically we have to find out this value. So this value will be basically 5 plus 10, that is 15 kilometers. So Rohini is currently at 15 kilometers from the starting point, or you can say from point N. So in this way you have to solve these questions. Now one thing to note over here is, whenever you are solving these kinds of questions, and suppose you are given a scenario like Rohini walks 5 kilometers in this direction, and then she walks 5 kilometers in this direction, and then she walks 10 kilometers in the south. Okay, so you should be clear that you have to make the lines a bit larger from this one, because if this is 5 kilometers, then definitely 10 kilometers will be up till here, right? Why? Because otherwise what, just in case if you have created your 10 kilometers line up till here only, then you might get confused while finding out the answers, right? Because this doesn't seems appealing, or this doesn't make much sense, because 5 kilometers is also this much and 10 kilometers is also this much. So I hope now you have got what I'm trying to explain. Let's straight away move on to the next question now. So this is our next question, that is question number 2. Let's try to solve it first. So just in case if you have got the logics, try to solve it on your own first and then watch the remaining video. So the question 2 is, a man walks 5 kilometers towards south. So 5 kilometers towards south. Okay. Next is, and then turns to the right. So the right for this man will be this direction. Okay. Then turns to the right after walking 3 kilometers. So after walking 3 kilometers in the right, he turns to the left and walks 5 kilometers. So after walking 3 kilometers in the right, he walks 5 kilometers towards his left. So the left for this person will be this. So 5 kilometers towards the left. Now in which direction he is from the starting point? So basically he is in this direction, right? So what is this direction called as? So this direction is called as southwest direction. So these kinds of direction based questions are also being regularly asked. Okay, so option D is the correct answer for this question. So these kinds of direction based questions also you can expect based on these kinds of questions. So whenever the question is getting complicated, then in that cases mostly they ask the directions. Okay, next question is, Shyam walked 40 meters facing towards the north. So Shyam walked 40 meters. So 40. So currently Shyam is this point. Okay. Now from there he walked 50 meters after turning to his left. So left of Shyam is this. So 50 meters in this direction. After this he walked 40 meters towards his left. So left of Shyam is this. So Shyam has walked 40 meters again towards his left. How far and in what direction he is now from his starting point? So Shyam is currently at this point. Now we have to find the distance between the starting point and his current position, which means this distance, So this distance is what? 50. And in what direction he is currently now? So he is currently at his west. The correct answer for this question will be 50 west. Okay, because two things are being asked, right? One is direction and the other is far, like the distance. So the correct answer for this question is 50 west. Moving on now towards our next question. So the next question is, Manoj started walking 20 meters towards the west. So this is the west direction and Manoj is walking 20 meters towards the west. So now the next thing that is given is, from there he goes 10 meters towards north. So from here he is going 10 meters towards his north. Then he goes 35 meters towards east, which means that 35 meters towards east will be 20 is this much, and 15 more he will go. So till here he is right now. After this he goes 5 meters towards south. So 5 meters towards south is this direction. So he is right now at this position. So and in the end he goes 15 meters towards the west. So 15 meters towards the west, which means this direction, that is 15 meters if we will travel, then it will be, okay, let me draw the line again. So 15 meters in this direction will be until here. So 15 meters. So right now he is at this position. How far is he from the starting point? So this was his starting point. So the distance between these two. So this distance will be how much? You can clearly see from the diagram that the total distance is 10 and this distance is 5. So 10 minus 5, he is 5 meters away from his starting position. So in this way, sometimes the questions get tricky, but if you have drawn diagram in a clear way, then definitely you can solve these questions. Moving on to the next question now. Shubham walks 4 meters towards the east. Okay, so 4 meters towards the east. So this is right now the position of Shubham. Then turns to his right and walks 4 meters. So right of Shubham will be this direction, and again he walks 4 meters, and then turns to his left and walks 5 meters. Turns to his left and walks 5 meters. Again turning to his left and he walks 4 meter. Then from this position he is turning to his left and walks 4 meters. So right now he is at this position. What is the shortest distance between the starting point and the ending point? So we have to find the distance, shortest distance, okay, which means that this was the starting point and this is the ending point. So this distance we need to find. So the distance is 4 plus 5, 9 meter. So the correct answer for this question is 9 meter. So guys, I hope you are getting the concept. Just in case if you are facing any difficulty or having any doubts, let me know in the comment section. Also, before moving on to the next question, please try to solve these questions first by yourself by pausing the video, and just in case if you are not able to solve, then you can check the solution. Next question is, Ankit started from a point, walks 2 meters east. So this is the starting point for Ankit and he walks 2 meters towards the east. So next is, and turns left and walks 4 meters. So then at this position he will turn left and walks 4 meter. So this is his current position, and turns right and walks 6 meters again. So right now he will move at 6, he will move in right direction and walk 6 meters. So this is his current position as of now. Then he starts walking 4 meters towards his right. 4 meters towards his right means this direction. So right now he is at this position, from where he again walks 2 meters towards his left. So 2 meters towards his left will be this direction. So right now he is at this position. So we need to find the distance between from this, how far is he from his starting point. So this is his starting point, this is his ending point. So we have to find this distance. So the distance will be 2 plus 6 plus 2, right? This 2, this 6 and this 2 we can clearly see from the diagram. So the total answer will be 10 meters. So Ankit is 10 meters away from his starting point. Let's move ahead with our next question now. So this question is, a person starts walking from a point A in north direction. So this is the starting point, that is the A, and the person is walking in the north direction, and after covering 20 meters, so 20 meters he is walking in the north direction, so this much, and this is his current position. He took the right turn and walked 20 meters. So he took right turn and walked 20 meters. After that he turns to his right and walks 40 meters. So right of this will be this, and he walks 40 meters. So 20 and 20, right? So right now he is at this position before turning to left and walks 20 meter. So then he turns what? Left and walks 20 meters. So left and walks 20 meter. After that he took the left turn and walks 10 meter. Again he took a left turn and walks 10 meter. So this direction, so this is 10. And finally he took a right turn and walks 50 meter. So right turn and 50 meter. So right turn will be in this direction and 50 meter. So right now he is at this position and stopped at point B. So this is the point where he stopped. So this point is point B. Now he is facing in which direction? So basically we have to just tell that he is in which direction now. So you can clearly see that he is facing this direction right now. So he is in east direction. So the correct answer will be east. So in this way, directions are also regularly being asked in many questions, and these questions are very easy if you have practiced once. So make sure to have a good practice of these questions. Let's move ahead with our next question. Joy, starting from a fixed point, goes 15 kilometers towards north. So this is the fixed point and he goes 15 kilometers towards the north. So 15 kilometers. So, and then he, after turning to his right, he goes 15 meters. So in right direction, 15 kilometer again. So this is the right, 15 kilometer. Right now we are at this position. And then he goes 10, 25 and 25 kilometers after turning to his left each time, which means that he will move left thrice and he will walk 10, 25 and 25 kilometers. So the left will be, so first of all he is at this position right now, so his left will be in this direction. So he has walked 10. Once he is at this position, he will again walk 10. Okay, so he will walk 25 now. So in left direction 15 and 10 will be 25. Right now he is at this position and again he will walk how much? 25. So left direction will be this side. So again 25 kilometers. So right now finally he is at this point. So we have covered till here. How far is he from the starting point? So basically we have to find out this distance. So this distance you can clearly see from the diagram that it is 10 kilometers. Okay, so in this way sometimes you also need to create a diagram very clearly so that you can get an answer very fast. Otherwise if your diagram is clumsy, then you might get confused while solving the question. A boy ran 20 meters towards the east. So this is the starting point, and 20 meters towards the east, and turn to right after and runs 10 meters. Turns to right and runs 10 meters, and turns to right and 9 meters again. So turns to right. So right will be this direction, 9 meters again, and again turns to left and runs 5 meters. So left will be this side and 5 meters again, and then turns to left and runs 12 meters. So left again, so left will be this direction, 12 meters in the left. Finally turns to left and runs 6 meters. So finally he is now turning left and running 6. So left for this will be this much, so it will be somewhere around here, 6. So now he is at this point. Now which direction the boy is facing? So we can clearly see that the boy is facing this direction, which is north direction. So now we have solved this question. The correct answer for this question is north. Moving ahead to the next question now. Pradeep traveled from a point X straight to the point Y. So suppose this is this point X, he is traveling straight, right? So straight towards the Y. How much distance? 50. So 50 he is traveling from X to Y. So this new point is X, Y. He turned to his right and walks 50 meters. So turn to his right and walks 50 meter. Then again turn to his right and walks 60 meter. So again turn to his right and walks 60 meter. So he is at this position. So this much is 50. Let me write it clearly. So this much is 50 and this much is 10. Finally he turned to right and walks 50 meter. So turn to right, and so right is this direction basically, right, and walks 50 meter. He is at this position right now. How far is he from the starting point? So basically we have to find this direction. So you can clearly see from the diagram that the distance is 10 meters. The correct answer is 10 meters for this question. So Pradeep is 10 meters right now from his starting point. Moving on to the next question now. So we have covered 10 questions so far, guys. So if you like the video, please share it amongst your friends who are also preparing for exams, so that they can also get benefited. Now this is the last question of the video, and the answer of this question you guys need to find out. I'm not going to tell it how to solve it. I'm just going to read the question for you first. Ketan walks a distance of 3 meters towards the north, then runs to his left and walks 2 meters. He turns left and walks for 3 meters. At this point he turns to his left and walks for 3 meters. How many meters is he from the starting point? So a similar question like the same 10 questions we have solved. This is the same question. So if you have understand the concept well, then you can easily be able to solve this question. So what you have to do is you have to solve this question, find out the answer and comment down. Make sure to comment down and I will tell whether your answer is correct or not. Even though you see that if someone has already commented and you see that you feel that there is no need to comment, please comment it so that I also get to know that you are understanding the concepts. So with this, we have come to an end of this video. Just in case if you have any doubts or anything, let me know in the comment section. Make sure to subscribe to the channel to see more such videos from me. And as already mentioned, I am creating a complete playlist on reasoning with different topics. Already in the playlist 6 videos are there based on the blood relation topic, and all the videos are very nicely I have explained the complete concept. So make sure to check that and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching the video.